This lesson is for beginner English learners. By the end, you'll be able to talk about New Year resolutions and share your goals in English. Let's start. Brian, do you make New Year resolutions?
Sometimes. Not every year, though.
Why not every year?
I forget them by February.
Ha, that's very common.
Yeah, I'm not alone.
Definitely not. But resolutions are good practice for English.
How so?
You learn to talk about goals and plans.
Oh, that makes sense.
Let's start with the basics. A resolution is a goal for the new year.
Something you want to do or change.
Exactly. You use I want to plus an action.
I want to exercise more.
Perfect example. Let's practice. Say, I want to exercise more.
I want to exercise more.
Great. Say it again.
I want to exercise more.
Excellent. Listeners, this is a very common resolution.
Everyone says it in January.
And then the gym gets empty in March.
So true. What's another way to talk about resolutions?
I'm not sure. You can say, I plan to plus an action.
I plan to. That sounds more serious.
It does, like you really thought about it.
I plan to save money.
Great resolution. Let's practice. Say, I plan to save money.
I plan to save money.
One more time.
I plan to save money.
Good. I want to and I plan to are both useful.
What's the difference again?
I want to is about desire. I plan to is about intention.
So plan means I'll really try.
Right. It's a bit stronger.
Got it.
Let's talk about common resolutions.
Okay, exercise is one.
Yes, I want to exercise more, or I plan to go to the gym.
I plan to go to the gym. Specific.
Specific is good. What about learning?
I want to improve my English.
Perfect. That's probably why our listeners are here.
Right. Good resolution, everyone.
Let's practice. Say, I want to improve my English.
I want to improve my English.
Again.
I want to improve my English.
Great job. What other learning goals are common?
Learn a new skill, like cooking.
Yes, I want to learn how to cook.
I want to learn how to cook. I actually need that.
You don't cook?
Not well. I burn things.
Ha, practice helps.
That's what they say. What about money resolutions?
Save money is big.
Very big. I want to save more money.
Or I plan to spend less.
Both work. Let's practice. Say, I want to save more money. I want to save more money.
One more time.
I want to save more money.
Perfect. Saving money is hard, though.
Very hard. Things are expensive.
True, but small changes help.
Like making coffee at home.
Exactly. Little things add up.
What about health resolutions?
Common ones are eating better and sleeping more.
I want to eat healthier.
Good one. Healthier means more healthy.
I want to sleep more. That's my real goal.
Ha, same here. Let's practice. Say, I want to eat healthier.
I want to eat healthier.
Again.
I want to eat healthier.
Great job. Now, how do you ask someone about their resolutions?
Just ask, what are your resolutions?
That works. Or, do you have any New Year resolutions?
Do you have any New Year resolutions? That's polite.
Let's practice. Say, do you have any New Year resolutions?
Do you have any New Year resolutions?
One more time.
Do you have any New Year resolutions?
Excellent. Emily, how do people answer?
Wait, I'm Brian.
Ha, sorry. Brian, how do people answer?
They say, yes, I want to something.
Right, or not really if they don't have any.
Some people don't believe in resolutions.
That's okay too.
What if I want to be more specific?
Good question. You can add details.
Like what?
Instead of exercise more, say, go to the gym 3 times a week.
Oh, that's very specific.
Specific goals are easier to follow.
I plan to go to the gym 3 times a week.
Perfect. Let's practice. Say, I plan to read 1 book every month.
I plan to read 1 book every month.
Again.
I plan to read 1 book every month.
Great. Details make resolutions real.
What if I fail my resolution?
That's normal. Don't give up.
Start again?
Exactly. You can say, I'm still working on it.
I'm still working on it. That's honest.
Let's practice. Say, I'm still working on it.
I'm still working on it.
One more time.
I'm still working on it.
Perfect. Progress is what matters.
Not perfection.
Right. Small steps count.
I like that.
Let's do a quick review.
Okay.
To talk about resolutions, use I want to plus action.
I want to improve my English.
Or I plan to plus action.
I plan to exercise more.
Ask others with, do you have any New Year resolutions?
Do you have any New Year resolutions?
And if you're still trying, say, I'm still working on it.
I'm still working on it.
Wonderful job today.
This was fun. I feel motivated now.
Good. Listeners, here's a question for you. What's your New Year resolution? Tell us in the comments.
We really want to know.
If this lesson helped, subscribe for more. Happy New Year, everyone.
Happy New Year. See you next time.